गोंयांत आमदार मंत्री स्वयंपूर्ण भारताची व्हडली भाशणां दितात, पूण दिव्यांगाचेर आजुनूय अन्याय जाता। तांकां तांच्या हक्का खातीर झुजचें पडटा, ही दुख्खाची गजाल। आनी खंयच्याय दिव्यांग मनशाक जर मजत मेळटा आसत जाल्यार ती फकत राजकीय नदरेंतल्यान दितात। डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स इन गोवाचो अध्यक्ष आवेलिनो डिसान सणसणीत आरोप केला।
शुक्रारा घेतिल्ले पत्रकार परिशदेंत डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स इन गोवाचो अध्यक्ष आवेलिनो डिसा आनी मेंबर ऑफ स्टेट एडवायझरी बोर्डचो प्रकाश कामत हजर आशिल्ले। स्वयंपूर्ण मित्रान दिव्यांग तशेंच ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांच्या घराकडेन भेटी दिवन तांची वासपूस करची, तांच्यो गरजो लक्षांत घेवन त्यो पुराय करच्यो अशें डिसेबिलिटी रायट्स इन गोवान मागलां।
person each and every senior citizen's house and see what are their requirements. In Vasco, swimming pool complex and stadium in Vasco has been constructed by the SAG, and we are shocked to note that the stadium is not accessible for persons with disabilities. Demanding action against the SAG officials as well as the GSIDC officials for constructing buildings which are non-conforming to the disability standards, are not accessible for persons with disabilities. We have been also receiving complaints that schools and colleges are denying admission to students with disabilities on the grounds of disability. This also is an offence under the Rights of Persons with Disability Act. It is an offence under the goac Children's Act. It is an offence under the Right to Education Act. So we are requesting all schools, all colleges to not to deny admission to children with disabilities. In case any school requires any help with the education department for persons with disability as per the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. We have been also receiving complaints that persons with disabilities do not have anybody to take them to the health centers in case they are sick. So we also, when people go to register to the sub-registrar's office, many of the sub-registrar's offices are not accessible for persons with disabilities, or the elderly people find it difficult to visit the sub-registrar's offices. So we are demanding that the health services direct the health center doctors at the health centers to visit persons with disabilities or the elderly at their houses, at the homes, for simple tests like blood pressure checkup or sugar, diabetes, cholesterol, simple tests like this, to visit the houses.
This in the blood, that is called factor. तो factor GMCतल्यान तांकां मेळपाक जाय on regular basis. इंजेक्शनांतल्यान, they are costly injections. गोंयांत सादारण आयडेंटिफायड अराउंड 55 असे डिसेबिलिटीचे पेशंट्स आहा हेमोफिलियाचे, तांची सोसायटी आसा, ते अप्रोच करता, पण फाटले काही दीस दे फाउंड फॉर 15 days दॅट फॅक्टर वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल. सो आमचो रिक्वेस्ट आसा की हे पेशंटांक जर तो फॅक्टर टायमली मेळ्ळो ना, ते डिसेबल्ड जातात. तांकां काही लोक व्हिलचॅरां ऑलरेडी आसात, काही चलतना ऑर्थोपेडीक डिसेबिलिटी तांकां चलपा त्रास जाता, हे तांचे एग्रेवेट जाता टायमली जर हो फॅक्टर ब्लडाक तांकां दिवपाक मेळ्ळो ना जाल्यार. सो आमचें हें आसा की तो रेगुलर बेसीस, इट इज अ इसेन्शियल मेडिसीन, ते रेगुलर बेसीस तांकां मेळचें.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.